Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanged.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today is day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas. Guys, we are nearing the end, but the giveaways do not stop there. We have giveaways every single Friday, so we just keep wanting to bless you with awesome products. Now today I am so excited because I partner with one of my favorite baby brands, and they are going to be giving away some awesome prizes to you. And I also want to share something very, very special with you, and that's our baby's heartbeat. Baby Doppler is giving 10 viewers a chance to win a $100 gift card to go shopping on their website. They have a huge range of products. So if you are pregnant or wanting to fall pregnant or have had a new baby, there is something there that you will love. Go check out the link down below in the video description box. Follow all the necessary steps on their Instagram page, and you could be one of 10 lucky people to win a $100 gift card. Remember to go onto our Facebook page and see each of the day's giveaways and comment on them so we can see which prizes you would actually like to win. Used this Doppler with my pregnancy with Jacques, and now I'm using it again in this pregnancy with Juliette. I really find that using a baby Doppler is a really special experience, because what it allows you to do is hear your baby's heartbeat, and this is important for a few reasons. Number one, for me, being that I just like to hear that sound because it just reminds me that actually I am growing something in there that is just so beautiful and miraculous. Because for me, I don't know why, but every pregnancy is like it blows my mind. This miraculous creation of life, that my body can grow a whole nother person, and that in a few weeks, there is going to be a real little person around. So whenever I hear that heartbeat, it just kind of reminds me, this is happening. This is happening. And I'm sure many of you can relate, because normally you go to your scan and you have your scan done and everything. But the moment the sonographer turns on the sound and you hear that heartbeat, the tears come. I mean, look, even talking about it, the tears want to come. Because that's what really gets you. It's like, it's alive. The baby is growing. So that is really special. So I love it for that reason. A second reason I love is that it allows my family members, my children, my husband to also become very much part of this process. And so the boys love just listening, lying on my tummy, hearing the sound. You found it. Can you hear them? I don't think they quite understand what a heartbeat is yet, because they're only 2 and 3 years old. But I guess it just makes it sound like there's something going on and their mommy's tummy's getting bigger, and they get quite like cute about it, and they love just cuddling with me. So it's a very special bonding moment as well. And then also for Claude, he just loves it because he's now you can see the stomach moving. He can also feel her kicks, but now he can also hear her heartbeat. So it is really special. And then I think also one of the most important reason a fetal monitor is really important is that it also just gives you a great peace of mind. When maybe you haven't felt some kicks, for a short while, or, you might just be needing a bit of reassurance, you can put on the fetal monitor and hear baby's heartbeat, and I think it will just reassure you. Now, this does not replace a normal medical scan. It's just a nice at-home device to use in the comfort of your home and for a little bit of peace of mind. But if you ever have concerns, go straight to your medical practitioner or OB. So today I'm going to show you how the Baby Doppler Sonoline B works. Now, this is the most widely used in the US, and according to Wikipedia, the most widely used in the world. And you will see why, because it's super user-friendly, it's really easier. And it's like, I'm not a technical person at all. Normally I need Claude's help with everything. But this, I got it. So basically, let me just tell you a couple details. It's easy to use. It will easily detect baby's heartbeat. It has a built-in speaker. And over here, you can insert headphones. And there is a speaker over here, an LCD backlit screen, and it does come with this ultrasound transmission gel. This baby Doppler is very easy to use. It has these 3 buttons here: mode, power, backlight button with a volume control on the side, and then a headphone jack if you don't want to disturb anybody. If you're doing this at night or in the middle of the night, you can just plug in your headphones right over there. This is the probe, and on the back you put in the batteries, so no power outlet is necessary. You can use the baby Doppler from 12 weeks in pregnancy. We actually tested this out on my sister-in-law, who was, I think she was 13 weeks at the time, and we found a lovely heartbeat. So it even picks up the slightest of sounds. Obviously, as you progress in pregnancy, I found it easier and easier to hear the heartbeat, but it's just been really fun as the baby grows, hearing how, like locating where she's kind of situated. And now yesterday I had a scan with my OB, so I kind of had an idea of where her heart was located. So today I found her heartbeat instantly. Now, if you've never heard of Baby Doppler before, you need to go check out their website. They have so many awesome products on their website. And what I really love, firstly, about the Baby Doppler range is the price point. It is all relatively well priced for the quality you are getting. They have excellent customer service, and if you're not happy with products, they will help you resolve your issue. And that always means a lot to me, especially when I've spent my money on these products. Now, I'm also using from Baby Doppler their pregnancy multivitamin. I'm also using their stretch mark creams. I'm currently using 3 different creams from their range. One's an oil, one's silicone. It's the first prescription-free silicone product on the market for stretch marks and scars. And then I am also using a Mamaderm massage stretch mark cream, which is really awesome. Very excited to use for our new little girl the Baby Doppler scale. Now, I actually have my very own baby scale. I will show that in one of my next videos on how it works, and then obviously when baby comes, I'll show you how it's helping us. Go check out their website. It's a great resource for pregnant moms. Basically, if you want a site where you can find a lot of the essentials that you are going to need, then just go check out the website. You'll find it all there. They even have this like amazing smartphone baby thermometer, which you can use to test milk, bath water, room ambient temperatures, and obviously baby's temperature as well, or your own or your husband's or whoever is ill in your home. It's an amazing product. I will leave links down below to their website so you can go and have a look. Guys, remember, this is a giveaway, and it is a huge giveaway because there is not one winner, but there are 10 winners. You need to go check out the link down below in the video description box. It will take you through to Baby Doppler's Instagram page. You need to follow those steps, and you could be one of 10 lucky people to win a $100 gift card to go shopping on their site. Tomorrow is our last day of the 12 days of Christmas, and you don't want to miss out. We will then soon be announcing winners, and it is not too late now to enter all the other giveaways, so enter all of them, and then you could stand a chance to win some great Christmas stash. While you're here, why don't you take a look what I'm packing in my hospital bag right over there, and you will see some other cool Baby Doppler products featured.